What is up, YouTube? It's Tom from Tech Time, and I'm back with another video. Today I have an unboxing and review on the Boya BY/MM1 shotgun microphone. I've used this company's microphone on my Canon DSLR and some smartphones before just to try them out, and I was really impressed by them, so I figured I'd pick this one up. It's definitely a more budget version of the Rode mic, which can go upwards of $100 all the way up to $300 depending on the model that you get. So to me, hopefully this will be a great, medium tier price range microphone, and should work out well for me. Right now I'm shooting on the Samsung Galaxy S9 with the built-in microphones. So let me know how they sound when you watch this video. This specifically I'm going to be using with my Canon T7i. So we'll get into that. So let's get into the unboxing. On the back, get the regular compact on-camera microphone, compatible with smartphones, DSLRs, consumer camcorders, PCs, etc. Rugged metal construction, no battery required. And then you get a professional furry windshield included. You call them, whatever, dead cats, dead mouse, whatever you want to call them. Let's open the box up. So you got your manual right here. Tells you what it is, the frequency. You can pause that and read that if you want. What's included, how to hook it up, what's the difference for smartphones and tablets, and then for camcorders and cameras, how to use the microphone with a tablet or Mac. So it pretty much shows you everything you need to know. So you can read that if you want. File that off to the side. You get a little bag for carrying and keeping it. Same thing that came with my lavalier mic from them. It's actually decent quality. You have your 3.5 millimeter connector right here with the spring. That can be used on your DSLR. This is your mount for your DSLR right here. This will screw down to tighten it, and this is supposed to, give a little bit of shock absorption, and the microphone sits in here. This is your other cable. You can use this for smartphones. That's what they say. Tablets, Macs, things like that. Here is the windshield. Decent conditions. A little bit of stuff comes out, not too bad. This thing goes in here like so. Push that on without breaking it. So there you go. That's on. Put this baby on. I'll keep that on. I don't care about the look of it. And I just want it the way it's supposed to be, to block out any type of noise. So you take this, put it on right here on your DSLR, and then you just tighten this down. And there you go. Take the cable, plug this into the back. You can do either way. Maybe this way for this. And then this will go, hit the camera there. This will go on my T7i. I have a mic input right there. So that's where that will go. And there you go. You're all hooked up, ready to go. You're ready to vlog or do any other type of video recording that you need. So we'll get this set up and we'll do some sound comparisons coming up. Alright guys, this is just a little bit of a sound test. This is the Canon T7i built-in microphones. Let me know what you think on the sound difference, if it sounds better or worse from the mic when I plug it in. I'll be plugging in the mic in the next one. Just wanted to give you guys an idea of how the built-in Canon T7i microphones sound. If you were vlogging or whatnot, this is how it would sound. And now we'll get into the microphone and see if that sounds much better. Alright guys, this is the Boya microphone, shotgun mic, plugged in on the Canon T7i. So to let me know if you think this sounds better than the sample I just gave you with the built-in microphones. This would be used for vlogging or any type of, talking head videos where you're standing in front of the camera. It would be good because it points in that direction. You can also turn it around, and if you're doing some type of, tabletop review, you can use it that way also and get some sound directly towards you. I haven't tested it like that, just like this. So you guys let me know down in the comments below which one you think sounds better, more fuller, you know, crisper, things like that. Is it picking up any of the focusing on the camera, any noises like that? Because sometimes these shotgun microphones do. Let me know down in the comments below. But overall, I think this is going to be a great little addition to my setup. Hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, so I did the test on the shotgun microphone. To me, it sounds a lot less of an echo when I'm using the internal speakers, especially in my room. It doesn't have any, you know, sound dampening or anything like that, so it kind of echoes, and it doesn't echo as much in here, which is great. I think it's going to work out great for me for the price. Right now, you can get it on this link, $36.66 Prime, free 2-day shipping. If you guys don't have Prime, I'll leave a link down in the description. You can try it out free for 30 days through the link. It's great, you know, Prime is awesome, but that's neither here nor there, but you can get it for Prime. It's Boya, B-O-Y-A, and I'll leave the link down in the description. There is 13 reviews right now, and it's got, you know, almost 4 stars. A couple of the reviews were saying something wasn't compatible with their smartphone when they thought it would be, but, you know, sometimes that comes down to user error, and then people get a bad review. Sometimes, you know, if the shipment doesn't come in on time, even though it may be Amazon's fault, they'll get a bad review. So read through the reviews yourselves, make your own decision. But for me, I like this microphone. I think it works great, and it's definitely going to be a nice little addition to my arsenal. Trying to make these videos better and better, sound quality and everything for you. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. I like it. I give it a thumbs up, and I'll definitely be using this more often, so you guys can let me know how you feel about it in the more videos that are coming up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. I stay coming with smartphone reviews, tech products. I have a bunch of stuff on the horizon, tips and tricks, so stay tuned for more, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.